Okay, so not many people know that I was an economics teacher before I called it quits back in 2017. And as a part of being an economics school teacher, I had to teach people some great theories. I had this opportunity, great opportunity to teach people these amazing theories. And one of the theories that I taught my students was the Theory of Creative Destruction by Joseph. Okay, let me get that name again. By economist Joseph Schumpeter. And it basically meant that the old way of doing things gets wiped out to make space for the new. And it's true across all industries, across the world, models, and really everything in life and universe, right? And that's been happening in our industry as well. The industry, the coaching industry, the retreat industry. And it's basically like, let me give you an example. For example, the old hotel ballroom seminar style got replaced by online courses. Then the pre-recorded courses got swapped for life coaching and community-based learning and group coaching and hybrid programs, right? And the retreats shifted from, just like yoga only escapes to deep multi-layer transformations, for that included lifestyle change, health, wellness, business, and everything, right? And mindset stuff. So here's the thing. If you're still selling your offers like it's 2015, you're probably feeling stuck, right? Not because you're not good enough, but because the market already destroyed that version. But destruction isn't a bad thing, right? It's actually an invitation, an opening for you to create in a way that feels more alive, more aligned, and more you. Okay? So that's what I wanted to do this video for. Like, if you feel that what worked 2 years ago is not working for you anymore, it's probably time for you to up level. It's probably time for you to bring something new into your system, into your container. So let me ask you a question. Where are you still holding on to an old way that's ready to be destroyed or that's already destroyed? And so the next version of you, of your leadership, can rise. So what's that thing that you're still holding on to? And losing grip on that is actually going to help your profits escalate and accelerate, in your business accelerate, and your leadership rise, right? Put it down in the comments. Thank you.